Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. Sorry, there's a hair. There's always a hair. If you're new here, there's always a hair. Did I say my name's Ashley? I don't even know. Guys, the hairs, they're getting out of control. My name's Ashley and I'm very scatterbrained and the train goes off the tracks a lot, but I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands. So if that's what you're into, hang out, watch the train wreck. Let's see what happens, because I've already had a day. So, I wish I could put something on the lips because they're super dry, but I don't have just like a chapstick down here or anything that's just like plain. So let's go in with a lip liner. This is the Beauty Creations Nude X lip liner in the shade Still the One. And I'm just going to hope that this works with the lipstick that I kind of just randomly decided that I wanted to use. I think it might be, let me rephrase that. I know it's too light, but at least it'll give me a line. And then maybe I won't go too crazy. I at one point bought a black lip liner and I lost it before I could even use it. If you know me, that is no surprise. Alright, so this is the Unearthly Cosmetics Menacing Metals Lipstick in the shade Ancient. I bought several of these. I kind of forgot about them. Ooh. All right. But I love the ones that I have used. Like I said, I've just been in such a funk lately. Why? Okay. My Elper lip looks like I have black stuff on it, which is weird because like I put like no makeup on other than foundation, brows, blush, some bronzer. I don't know. That's weird. I'm a weird one though. So, all right. So, I'm in a funk. Like, I used to love filming. It does nothing for me anymore. I used to be so excited to get to play with colorful makeup on weekends because during the week I have to be a basic B because of my job, and it's done nothing for me. So I'm hoping we're gonna use an Unearthly Cosmetics Dead of Night, and then I think I might go in with some these really cool glitters from the MVNDI makeup. You guys, I always forget. I think this is maybe vault number 3, I think, but don't quote me on that. But I'm hoping that will kind of drag me out of my funk and just kind of get me to a better place. Because oh yeah, I forgot. Everything is a disaster in my life, like not even kidding. Even more so than usual. The other night, Sophie ran into the table because she was doing her little obstacle course and she knocked all my brushes went flying off and everything is just a disaster. I know I just said that, but like it's bad. So let's try and get started and bear with me. This lipstick is freaking hot. Like, she gorgeous. So I am happy about that. Now I'm not really sure what I want to do, so excuse me while I just kind of start putting stuff on my face and hope for the best. Let's start with the shade Merc. I'm just feeling this. I don't know why, but I am. So let's just start stamping that into... Oh, I can feel another hair on the face. And ignore, if you can hear that, the chainsaw. We had bad storms. I guess it was last weekend. And I guess people are cleaning stuff up now. Or Leatherface moved in. I don't really know. Alright guys, so pro tip, if you can feel a hair but you can't see it, what do you do? How do you get it? Just let a girl know. All right, now I'm trying to find a different brush because everything just totally got knocked out of place. Now I'm wanting to go in with the shade Cloud right here. This looks really, really pretty. I think I've only used this palette once or twice. So I'm glad that I don't know, sometimes I'll just get like this random vision in my head and I'll be like, I need to track that palette down and I need to use it. And this was what was just kind of in my head. I couldn't even exactly remember what it looked like, but for some reason I was just like, I need to use that palette. So that is what we are doing. I'm going to take that shade Cloud and put it lower lash line. I'm not sure how loud you guys can hear that chainsaw, but it's pretty loud. Oh, my goodness. My goodness. All right. So I'm going to go back in with that shade Merc. I'm going to put that on the outer portion of the lid. Take some glitter glue. And I think I'm going to go in with the shade Forest, which is the shade right here. All right. Now for the lower inner corner shade, I'm feeling, let's go Star right here. All right, I like that. I like that. So I want to go in with one of these. Like I mentioned, the Mandy Makeup, the Vault. And you guys, I'm so sorry. I can't remember if this is number 2 or number 3. I'm sorry. All right. What do I want? What do I want? I'm kind of feeling this one, like the stars. I'm just kind of, I don't remember. Last time I did this, did I go in with my finger or did I use a, did I use a brush? Let's just, oh. If you're ever like in a funk, just like grab some glitter and just go to town. That is really, really cool. Okay, okay. Okay. Kind of want to like, do I want to put some of this like down here? Yes. Oh my gosh. All right, we are just having just a little moment with some glitter. Okay, I think we're good. I like it. I like it. Okay, okay. I have to stop. But don't worry. We will do some more on the other eye. I'm really clumsy. So, oh goodness. Okay. I'm just clumsy. Like, clumsy as they come. Okay. I need to secure the goods. The glitters. Okay. They've been secured. Now, let me just wipe that on my arm. Because why not? All right, now let's do the other eye. Now, I'm going to start with the shade Bedtime, which is this dark blue right here. I really like that glitter. That is really, really cool. Now, I'm going to go in with the shade... I'm feeling misty. Let's go. This one right here. And we're just going to blend it out. And then I guess we're going to take that shade Misty and put that on the lower lash line. Alright. Now we're going to take that darker shade Bedtime again and put that on the outer portion of the lid. Alright, now we're going to go into some glitter glue. I think we're going to go into the shade Dead of Night. Why not? Yes, please. Ooh, so pretty. Alright, now for the lower inner corner highlight, we're just going with that shade Star again. Right here. I could feel some of the chunkies going onto my face. Oh goodness. Alright, so looking good. Now we gotta pick a glitter to go in with. This is a hard one. It's a hard one. Cause like they're all so pretty. I did stars on one. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling this one right here. It's just like multicolored. That one right there. Let's just let's just go for it, and because it's got some cool shapes in it, so let's just trying to like figure out how far up I went with the other eye. Okay, and then I just kind of like just did that on the other eye. Okay. It's a little crazy. I don't normally do something like this, but I kind of like it. So, yeah, I think we're good. I think I like it. I like it. All right, you guys, I'm just gonna wipe this on my arm too. I need to go put on some mascara though. So let's do some mascara and I will hopefully be right back. All right, so I am back. I absolutely freaking love this. Let's do a little final look. Oh wait, you guys, I didn't even, my final touch. I almost forgot. Because I'm not going to do a highlight because I brought this pretty far down. So it is what it is, but let me just dry myself off. Let's do a little final look-see. All right, you guys. So again, Mandy Makeup, the Vault. I can't, again, I'm so sorry. Can't remember if this is the number 2 or number 3. But all of her vaults, I can guarantee you. Do you just see that? Like, they're all phenomenal. I only have this one, but I just, anything Mandy makes is just, it's so good. It's so good. So check out Mandy Makeup. And then I also use the Unearthly Cosmetics Dead of Night palette. And here's what that palette looks like. And then the lipstick was the Menacing Metals Unearthly Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Ancient. I can't get it out and I don't want to bust the packaging. So watch the beginning of the video. Yeah, I put it on at the beginning of the video. I wasn't sure if I filmed that part or not, but I did. So you guys, are you here for this? Because I kind of am. I kind of love it. So, yeah, I got to take some pictures before I screw this up. So remember, you're beautiful, loved, amazing, all the things. If there's someone that you think may enjoy my content, please recommend it to them. I'd really, really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll see y'all in the next one.